Today, I will show you how to fix Instagram following not working problem. Let's start. First solution is clearing Instagram's cache files. Accumulated cache files can cause such issues. We can try solving the problem by deleting these files. To do this, open Settings. After opening Settings, click Apps, then Manage Apps. After clicking Manage Apps, type Instagram in the search bar. Then click Storage. Click Clear Data and Clear Cache. Press OK to proceed. We have cleared Instagram's cache files. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. Also, don't forget to like the video. If the problem persists, we will move on to the second solution. Second solution is using VPN. If Instagram servers are down in our region, changing our location with a VPN might fix the problem. To install a VPN, we open Play Store. After opening the Play Store, click Search and type VPN in the search bar. After searching for VPN, you can install any VPN you want. After installing the VPN, open it. We select a location different from our current one and connect. We select a location different from our current one and connect. We connect it to the VPN. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the third solution. Third solution is uninstall and reinstall Instagram. A clean installation can solve such issues. Press and hold Instagram, then click uninstall. Click uninstall again to continue. We have uninstalled Instagram. To reinstall it, open Play Store. After opening the Play Store, click Search and type Instagram in the search bar. After searching, click Install. We have installed Instagram. Now, log back into your account and check whether the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.